Let's get something straight. Being broke isn't your fault. You weren't taught about money. The cost of living is insane. Wages haven't kept up. And life? It happens hard. But here's the truth no one wants to hear. Staying broke. That might be on you. And if that stings a little, good. It means you're ready to change something. Because this video isn't about guilt. It's about taking your power back, even when the odds are against you. Let's start with this. You didn't choose to be broke. You were handed 1. A system that teaches algebra, not budgeting. 2. A culture that pushes debt before discipline. 3. A world where flexing matters more than freedom. You might have been raised around money stress. You might be dealing with trauma, burnout, or just trying to survive. So no, this isn't your fault. But you get to decide what happens next. And staying broke, staying in the same habits with the same mindset and the same silence, that's a choice. A painful one. But also a powerful one. Because once you realize you have some control, even if it's just 1%, that's where the breakthrough begins. Here's how we break the cycle. Step 1. Own your numbers. Most broke people avoid their bank balance like it's a horror movie. But what you don't track, you can't fix. Start with a notebook. Write down 1. What you make. 2. What you spend. 3. What you owe, even if it's messy. Clarity kills shame. Step 2. Stop waiting to feel ready. Motivation is a lie. You won't feel like saving, or budgeting, or saying no to Amazon. But discipline starts where excuses stop. Set one rule. Stick to it. No spending after 8 p.m. or $5 into savings every Friday. Start tiny, but start. Step 3. Ditch the blame, but keep the responsibility. Blaming the economy won't build you an emergency fund. Blaming your past won't pay off your debt. You're not at fault, but you are responsible. And that's not bad news. That's your permission to change. Step 4. Build wins, not wishes. Wishing for a better life doesn't build one. But stacking small wins, that changes everything. Every time you say no to an impulse buy, win. Every time you track a dollar, win. Every time you unsubscribe from something draining your wallet, win. Small steps, better habits, different future. Being broke sucks. It's heavy. It's lonely. And it can feel permanent, but it's not. And the moment you stop blaming yourself and start building yourself, that's the moment everything starts to shift. So no, being broke isn't your fault, but staying broke, that's a decision. And now you get to make a different one. Drop A if this unlocks something in you. Subscribe for weekly money wake-up calls that meet you exactly where you are. You're not stuck. You're just starting.